Hey guys, this is AVJG again with another video. Sorry guys, it's been a long time. I'm not uploading a video, but I'm busy with my exams, so that's why I'm not uploading any type of video. But today I got this F&D E200 laptop and desktop soundbar. So after a long time, I do this unboxing, and I got it from snapdeal.com for around 840 rupees. I'll leave the link in the description box for all the three sites: Flipkart, Amazon and Snapdeal, so you can buy it from any of these sites. So I already unboxed it and I used it for 1 hour, but I again unbox it for you guys. So this is the box, and this is the soundbar, which looks awesome. This comes in that type of box. These are some extra protection, so that's good. And some more extra protection. And here are some user manuals. So if you have a problem to connect or anything you have you want to read about this soundbar, you can read it in this packet. And this is warranty card. So this is copy of invoice, but nobody uses because Snapdeal gives you a printed bill. But in case if you need it, you can save it. And some questions. And you also get this power cable. So let me just put this box aside and look at the soundbar. So this is around 40 to 50 centimeters. It's good, and it's have a 2.0 channel. So you have a one speaker here, and as you can see, one speaker here and one speaker here. And here is the F&D Mini soundbar branding. And here is this volume control button, so you can control your volume. And on the back of the side, you have a model number E200 and power jack. I'll show you. And you can also connect your earphone with it, so that's great. So this is the power cord which you get with this soundbar. You can just need to plug in it and just connect it with your USB. You can also use your normal smartphone charger to power this thing, and you can also use a power bank to charge this thing. So I'll show you how you can give this power with a power bank. First of all, connect it with your power bank and press the power. I hope my power bank should have some power. So my power bank don't have any type of power, but you can connect with your power bank. That's great. So let me test the sound quality of it. I'm not gonna playing any type of song, because if I play any type of song I can get a copyright strike. So that's why I'm not playing any type of song. So I just play instrumentals. So you can know, but the sound quality is really good. I'm recording this video with Redmi 2 Prime, so you can also know how the quality of Redmi 2 Prime. You just plug your audio jack here and this power in. So it's got power. When it's got power, this thing glows red, which looks cool. So you don't have any type of on-off button, you just plug and play. So that's simple. So let me just play some song for you guys. So I have a lot of songs in my computer, but as you can see, when I open the folders, how is it? So I'm gonna play some instrumental for you guys. So let me just play some instrumentals. And here it is. As you can hear, this is the maximum sound you can get with this soundbar. As you can see, I follow the sound from here, and also I follow sound from here, and it's really good. But when you put your sound to max level, the speaker get destroyed. So I don't suggest you to put it high put it on maximum volume, just decrease it down, and boss is really good. And you can also connect with your smartphone charger and also connect with this type of power banks. So that's a great product to buy, and you can also use it with your desktop, and sound is awesome and it's portable. You can take it anywhere. It's pretty lightweight. I think it's around 500 grams, so that's great. It's lightweight and you have a 2.0 channel, so that's great. So I'll leave the link, I'll leave all the links in the description box. If you want to buy it, please use my link because it does help the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope I will see you in my next one. Peace.